Yeah.
And it's not a language issue. Now, I'll tell you where it's an issue culturally, but it's not the English language issue that you're discussing. What we see is the cultural protocol where we tell somebody you have to keep on going after an account. And if you sent them one or two messages, you can't stop. And they will say, well, in our culture, we don't spam. In our culture, we give them one or two or maybe three phone calls, but we're not making 20 phone calls. That's just not what we do. And so that is really common. And we explain to them that you might not do it, and if you don't want to do it, then you're not going to play the game that everybody else is playing. So I kind of give an example of like a wave going by. That's the potential for somebody to get funded. And you're sitting there and you're competing with the Israelis and you're competing with the Americans and you're competing with the folks in different countries. And nobody's saying I'm only going to do two or three emails or make two or three phone calls. And if they don't call me back, then I'm just going to quit. That'll kill you. That'll ruin your company. You won't make it. What we say, you keep on calling until somebody tells you, no, it's not a fit, or stop bothering me. And so, in the world of you're a startup company and you're hustling around the planet and you're trying to talk to and kiss as many frogs as you can, it it doesn't scale when you say, well, they didn't call me, so they didn't call me back, so they're off my list. That's the kiss of death and the worst thing that you could possibly do. And we have so many examples where on the 20th phone call, the investor answers the phone and says, I'm so busy. I'm so sorry. My schedule's open. I've been wanting to talk to you for months. Tell me when we can do it. It's just so many examples of that. And, people just don't believe it. And, we have the same thing with when we're talking to CEOs and they're going, I just want to pitch to science. And you're going, but they're not interested in the science. They're interested in your story, your team, your technology, the pedigree, the lineage.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, or you can keep watching. And don't miss out on new posts by subscribing to our channel. And if you want to talk to Rapport International about all your translation and interpretation needs, or about growing your business into new markets, use the link below for a free 30-minute consultation.